the height of a triangle. It's a segment drawn from one vertex perpendicular to the opposite side. For example, this is the height relative to the side BC. This height is the height relative to the side AB. And finally, this height is the height relative to the side AC. As you can see, the height doesn't necessarily go through the midpoint, but it starts from a vertex and it's perpendicular to the side opposite to it. We are going to draw now the three heights from the following triangle. Which height do you think is going to be the easiest to draw first? It's going to be the height from point B. So let's do that. If you want to draw the height, you could use, for example, a triangle. In a triangle, I have an angle of 90 degrees. So this side is perpendicular to that one. So if I put one side on the side AC, then I can use the other side of this triangle to draw the height. But remember, the height is a segment. So I need to start from a vertex, point B, and I'm going to have to stop until I reach the segment AC. If you want to double check that your constructions are good, you could also use your protractor and make sure that your height is really perpendicular to the side AC. And yes, it is, because it's a 90-degree angle. So that one works. Now we are going to draw the height from, let's say, vertex C. What is the side representing the opposite side of angle C? It's the side AB. Is it possible to draw a segment inside this triangle so that the segment is perpendicular to side AB? No, it's not. So the height is going to be outside the triangle. But if I want to do that, what do you think I need to do with this side AB? I need to extend it first. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to extend it. I'm going to use my ruler. I'm going to use a different color, but you still use your pencil all the time. And now I can do exactly the same thing as the previous example and use my triangle. Again, you have your 90-degree angle, so put one side of your triangle on the side AB, and then the other side of the angle of 90 degrees. Then make sure that you're going to be able to draw this segment from point C. So that's what I'm going to do right now. From point C, I'm going to draw a segment, and I'm going to stop when I'm going to touch this red segment, because the height is a segment. And finally, we need to draw the last height, and that one will start from letter A. So which side do we need to extend this time? Yes, it's the side BC. I will extend it, and then I will do the same thing again. I extend it, and now I can draw the line. Remember, you need to draw a segment. And this time, we start from letter A. And when do we stop? When we reach the extension of side BC. So these are my three heights. And again, you can identify that you have 90-degree angles here. Do you know how we call the point of intersection of three heights? It's the orthocenter. Now, do you think the orthocenter is going to be inside the triangle or outside? Well, it's going to be outside, and if we want to see it, we're going to need to extend the heights. So let's do that now. In a different color, I'm going to do it. If your constructions were precise, your three heights should meet at the same point, at the orthocenter. So let's take a look. Well done!